What is up, guys? So it is February 1st, 2019, and it has been a month since I made my last video, so what have I been up to? I've done a lot more photo shoots since last vlog. I shot a Bullet Mustang, that wrapped M4, an M5. Shout out to Clutchworks for setting that up. He's another local photographer from my area. He's awesome. I'll put his page in the description below. Check him out. He's cool and he shoots for free. So if you don't want to shoot with me for 25 bucks, you could shoot with him for free. I also took pictures of an Infiniti Q50S Red Sport, well, Q50 red Q. So the biggest thing that I've done this month actually is I redesigned my logo. So instead of having the, the kind of playful, childish look with the ethanol feet on the bottom like the old logo was, this one's a lot more, it's a lot cleaner, a lot more streamlined. It just has a very professional look to it, and it looks really good on photos that are watermarked. So I'm gonna put that over here somewhere. Yeah, in front of my face. I'm gonna start pushing hashtag fueled by passion. So that's gonna be kind of my catchphrase that I'm gonna use from now on. I'm gonna start kind of showing more of what ethanol feed, like why I made ethanol feed. I made it to show off the passion people put into their cars and the personalities that like is showing through their cars. Hashtag fueled by passion. That's kind of the new thing going forward. I'm gonna start doing a lot more with that. I have a few things in works in the background that I'm thinking of, but we'll see. I'm not gonna say anything yet for sure. But maybe by the end of February, I'll be able to say more and have some progress on stuff. But that being said, I guess I'll see you guys next month. I'm kind of doing this monthly vlog thing, I guess, update. I've just been focusing a lot more on Instagram. That's kind of my main platform now. So if you're subscribed to me here but not already following my Instagram, it's also in the description below, so check that out and drop a follow. That's where you'll see most of my updates, but probably I'll see you guys next month. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.